Is your desire a real burning desire, or it's just like an ordinary desire? Hello friends, my name is Sidharth Shah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to ignite your desire only if you are ready to do that, right? So in 2016 I went to the US and I was very much fortunate that I cracked the code How to Think and Grow Rich when one of my mentors, Mr. Don Green, gave me this book Think and Grow Rich, and that really transformed my entire life. I've been studying this since last 4 years and I'm going to continue studying it since for the rest of my life for sure. So the first step in Think and Grow Rich is that you got to have a desire, and that too a real burning desire. How do you get your desire burning? How do you get that real ignition in your desire? Well, I'm going to give you two aspects, two emotions in this particular video. And these are very powerful emotions, very powerful emotions. So understand these two emotions and connect those two emotions, what's going on in your life right now. And I promise you, if you understand these two emotions, not just intellectually, but emotionally get attached to these two emotions, then I'm sure that you are on the right track to make your desire a real burning desire. So let's understand what are these two emotions. The number one emotion which I'm going to describe over here is the emotion of fear. Fear. That's a very powerful emotion. Although a negative emotion, fear is a negative emotion, but it's a very powerful emotion for a person to inspire and to take action. Let me give you some examples. Students, exam time, and the ranks are not up to the mark and they are not performing up to their standards, and they have got lots and lots of things on their mindset, and they will do whatever it takes to pass. They will do whatever it takes to go to the next level. रात को जागेंगे, project xerox करेंगे, कुछ भी करेंगे, pass होना है. Well, that's the emotion of fear which ignites a particular person desire and starts to take action. Let me give you one more example. Corporate world. Well, if there are corporates and they have got quarterly targets, and who had thought March quarter Corona काल लग गया? Who would have thought March में ऐसा जाने वाला है Corona में? जून चला गया, सितंबर चला गया, अभी दिसंबर भी खत्म होने आया. वाओ, कुछ भी करो, बॉस सर पे बैठा है, incentives नहीं मिलेंगे. Well, that's again a very powerful motive. Although a negative motive, fear motive है, but बहुत जबरदस्त motive है for a person to take action. Let me give one more example. Let's say entrepreneurs and startups, and they are saying, they don't have the profits in the bank, and the bank balance is coming down. Boss, कुछ भी कर, जुगाड़ कर बाबू, otherwise ठप होने वाला है अपना. Emotion of fear, although a negative motive, but it's a very powerful motive which inspires a person to take action, and it converts their normal desire into a burning desire, the emotion of fear. That's one motive which I want to discuss today. The second motive is the emotion of love. Love, pyar, prem. Very powerful, positive motive. Not just this motive is linked to your soulmate or your boyfriend or your girlfriend or your life partner or your spouse. Well, that's one aspect of it, and we discussed that in depth in the mystery of sex transmutation. But over here, the emotion of love is not restricted to that particular aspect. It has got a variety of perspectives. बहुत अलग-अलग पहलू है. Let me give you some examples. What is the emotion of love and in which different perspectives you can check yourself? The best part is the love for the work which you do. If you start loving the work which you do, you will never ever work for the rest of your life. Never ever. I love coaching and training people on the power of Think and Grow Rich, on the principles of Think and Grow Rich. I'm going to do this for the rest of my life. I've been truly blessed that I have discovered what I like to do. I have converted my vocation into a vacation. And when you start loving the work which you do, you will also convert your vocation into a vacation. It doesn't matter what you're doing. Maybe you're a homemaker, maybe you're a student, maybe you're in your career, maybe you're a business owner. Start loving the work which you do. If you start loving the work which you do, you will never ever work for the rest of your life. Let me give you some more examples of the emotion of love. A mother's love for the child. माँ कुछ भी करेगी अपने बच्चों के लिए, right? That's the powerful motive of emotion of love. कुछ भी करेगी माँ, माँ की ममता इतनी powerful है, कुछ भी कर सकती है माँ for the emotion of love. One more perspective I'll give it to you. An army man's love for the country. देश भग जाएगा, border पे जान दे देगा. Why? Patriotism, the emotion of love for the country. Very, very powerful motive which inspires a person to take action and converts their normal desire into a burning desire. That's one of the powerful motives of emotion of love. Now understand this, okay? Not just intellectually. Oh, I know what is fear. Oh, I know what is love. But no, you got to connect these motives with the goal which you want to pursue. Whatever you want to achieve in your life, be it whatever the mind can conceive and believe, not your limiting factor. It is whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. You got to connect these motives with the goals, burn it into your consciousness and your subconscious mind. Link it every year, every month, every week, every day, every hour, every minute, every second of your life. You need to burn it into your conscious and your subconscious mind, and bang, that's where you get that ignition, and you will be able to convert your normal desire into a burning desire. That's a real powerful connection. People understand this. Okay, I know about what is love. I know what's about fear. But unless they are able to strongly connect, really strongly connect, they will not be able to become unstoppable. My request to all of you is, watch this video again. Link your goal, whatever you want to achieve in your life, with these two motives. Have a strong connection, real strong connection, and then you become unstoppable to achieve your goals which you want to achieve. Corona, no corona, pandemic, not, it doesn't matter at all. You will be whatever it takes because your desire has become a real burning desire. Not just motivation of jumping on the chair, but really understanding that what makes your desire a real burning desire. That's what this video is all about. So if you are clear with these two motives, I want each and every one of you to put a comment in the comment box. Type 2 because you have understood these two motives and you're able to link it with your goals. And type 2 in the comment box, so I know there are actually 10 motives. I'm going to cover it on a step by step process. But in this video, the other two very powerful motives. That's what we do in our programs. If you would like to convert your desire into a real burning desire, if you would like to become unstoppable, if you would like to decode, unlock how to think and grow rich, then just click on the link below and enter our academy. We will make sure that you will get what you want. Tell us what you want and we will show you how to get it. My name is Sidharth Shah. I am the CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. We represent the Napoleon Hill Foundation in India. So if you have liked my video, if you think I have given you some valuable information, like, share, subscribe so that we can give you more and more better informative videos. Not just motivation, but with motivation, with understanding, you are for sure going to get the results. Thank you so much. Bye.